Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust your tint in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But first I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, I'm in the Adobe Photoshop mobile app. Here I am at the main page. Here you can do all sort of things. But we're just gonna focus on adjusting your tints. For you to do that, you're gonna have to click on this photo editor button. It's a blue button at the top. Click on photo editor, choose your picture. I'm gonna choose this random picture of a tattoo. At the bottom you have these buttons. They're all different. We're gonna click on adjustments. Here we have to click on color. And here, scroll for a little bit and you will find this tint one. Here you have this thing which you can adjust to play with your tint. You can customize it in any way you would like. It's really free, so you can customize it as you would like. So yeah guys, that's how you adjust your tint. See you in the next one.